Are you looking for Storipress lifetime deal? You have come to the right place. Appsumo is presently offering Storipress lifetime deals at a discounted price. Don't miss out on the deal today. Say hello to Storipress lifetime deal. Storipress is a professional media publishing tool for optimizing and scaling your content workflow. With built-in Kanban boards and calendar views, you can visualize your entire editorial workflow. Manage your content pipeline in a single workspace that displays the status of each piece throughout the editorial process. You can visualize your entire editorial workflow with built-in Kanban boards and calendar views. Manage your content pipeline in a unified workspace that shows the status of every piece across your editorial process. And with the Storipress drag and drop interface, you'll be able to optimize the publishing schedule in your content strategy. Use one collaborative text editor from draft to publish, so you don't need to copy and paste content into another CMS. You can leave inline comments and track live changes as you work with your entire team on articles simultaneously. Storipress also lets you insert rich content like images, videos, and tweets by supporting over 2,000 embed sources. You can even take advantage of SEO tools like Live Preview to make sure your content is optimized for search engines. Storipress lets you build a standalone publication or integrate with Shopify to create a community around your products with relevant content. You can share articles with your followers automatically by connecting Storipress to social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. And you'll be able to connect Storipress to The no-code site builder makes it easy to brand your own website using layouts designed for publications. Develop premium content experiences with the public GraphQL API and content model builder along with the Carbon Headless Framework. Storipress also comes with no-code paywalls, newsletters, and ads to turn your site into a profitable media company. The no-code site builder makes it easy to brand your own website using layouts designed for publications. Develop premium content experiences with the public GraphQL API and content model builder along with the Carbon Headless Framework. Storipress also comes with no-code paywalls, newsletters, and ads to turn your site into a profitable media company. You'll also be able to optimize the publishing schedule in your content strategy with the drag and drop interface. Use a single collaborative text editor from draft to publish to avoid copying and pasting content into another CMS. You can leave inline comments and track live changes while working on articles with your entire team at the same time. It also supports over 2,000 embed sources, allowing you to insert rich content such as images, videos, and tweets. You can even use SEO tools like Live Preview to ensure that your content is search engine optimized. It allows you to create a standalone publication or integrate with Shopify to create a community with relevant content around your products. By connecting to social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter, you can automatically share articles with your followers. You'll also be able to integrate with your Slack workspace, allowing you to notify someone whenever an article needs to be updated, using layouts designed for publications. The no-code site builder makes it simple to brand your own website. With the public GraphQL API and content model builder, as well as the Carbon Headless Framework, you can create premium content experiences. It also includes no-code paywalls, newsletters, and advertisements to help you turn your website into a profitable media company. Integrate with your marketing technology stack to create a monetized digital publication without writing a line of code. Streamline your editorial workflow in a unified workspace that allows you to collaborate and schedule content easily.